I'm here with the National Home Show, presented by Remax and co-located with Canada Blooms. This year there's so much to see. It's opening day of a 10-day show. We have over 800 exhibitors here. We have some beautiful features. We have our dream home. It's a 2,000 square foot home, prefabricated, made by Bonneville. We have President's Choice here talking about why we need to eat together and have our meals together as families. And they'll be doing live demos throughout the 10 days. And you'll be able to sit at a communal table. We have Ontario Skilled Trades College here that partner with us. By 2020, there will be approximately 100,000 empty jobs in the skilled trades that need to be filled. So come down and try your hand at a skilled trade. You can do bricklaying and electrical and plumbing and see if that's the right career for you. And we also have our backyard feature. Everybody's thinking about the backyard space right now, and they're looking at how to get it ready for the spring. I think we're all aching for some spring. We even have our own National Home Show lager by Common Good this year for the first year ever, so you can come and try some beer as well.
Welcome to Canada Blooms, Canada's largest floral and garden event. This is our 23rd year, and we're just thrilled to be back at Exhibition Place. We're expecting close to 200,000 visitors to this year's Canada Blooms. We're in the garden hall right now. In the garden hall, we have over 40 feature gardens that range from 4,500 feet to as small as 100 feet. So right now we're standing on our floral alley. We've got 10 professional florists who've done great displays. Over my shoulder, we've got Proven Winners, one of the biggest plant growers in North America, and they're displaying all their brand new varieties, several things you've never even seen before. This year, Van Bell Nurseries has grown the electric love Wigelia. It's our plant of the year. It's a gorgeous, brand new, darker leaf plant with some nice red blooms on it. That's brand new to Canada. This is the first year it's in. We also have small space gardens, I mentioned. We have 6 front yard gardens and 4 backyard gardens. These range from 100 square feet to 200 square feet and can show you exactly what you want to do in different circumstances. We also have brand new this year 5 balcony units. You know, we're in a balcony, you want to grow some vegetables, you want to do some outdoor living, you can talk to some of our builders, they can explain exactly what to do in balconies. And if you have questions, if you're north facing, if you're south facing, you don't know what type of plants will do well in those situations, come ask us. Our theme this year at Canada Blooms is a family affair. So lots of activities for kids. If your kids are under 12, they get in free to Canada Blooms. But we've got planters workshops, Little Sprouts workshops, Mark's Choice workshops. So you can come, your kids can plant a plant, take it away with us. We have big outside gardens where the kids can play in the grass. We've got our Green Streets Challenge, an outdoor challenge where the kids can play 5 different games to earn points and prizes at the gardens. So lots to do. We've got a really exciting new event at Canada Blooms for the first time ever. We're going to crown Canada Blooms Floral Artist of the Year. We're going to have 20 of the best floral designers, amateur and professional. These people have won gold medals around the world. Next Friday, they're going to be on site for 4 hours. We call it an imposed class. Each designer is going to get the exact same plant material, the exact same challenges, the exact same vessels, and they've got 4 hours to put their design together, and they're flying in from all over Canada to compete in this event. And it's going to be interesting to see what's going to be happening. And from the public standpoint, you never get a chance to see the designers. The twist for this year is the designers are going to be designing between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. in front of the public. So you can watch how they're putting things together, their techniques. We're going to have an MC that'll be asking them questions while they're designing. This will find out who the #1 floral artist in Canada is. On our stage, we have over 600 seminars at Canada Blooms. They range from Mark Cullen, Frank Ferragini, to the Master Gardeners Ontario. Any question you might have, or if you want to learn about, we have a seminar for it on one of our 3 stages. All the information's at canadablooms.com. Schedules, prices, who's speaking, what gardens are here. If you saw something you liked, you weren't sure what it was, go back, look at canadablooms.com, find out what it was. We're running from March 8th to 17th. It's $20 to come into Canada Blooms. Again, only kids under 12 are free. We'd love to see you. Come and experience the best garden show in the world.
My name is Tom Filippo. I'm the executive chef for President's Choice. Please have a seat if you like. We're talking about eating together, so it's really important. We've put together some scones and some fresh fruit for you. So our mandate is to get Canadians around the table and eating together. It's really important for us. We'll be here this weekend. We'll be doing different demos, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to get people hands-on. So we're going to cook together, and then after we finish cooking together, we're going to go back to that table and set it up, and everybody's going to kind of eat together.
For this weekend only?
This weekend and next weekend we'll be doing that. So for us, our mission is, like I said, to get families and friends around the table again. Studies like the Oxford Economics has shown that people that don't eat together are typically unhappy. So that's a pretty sad state of affairs. You want to make sure that people are together, joining, sharing their experiences. It's so important. And the great thing is that, I don't know if you've all noticed the new Canada Food Guide that's come out. The Canada Food Guide has really stressed being able to sit together and cook together and eat together. So we're right on target with that. President Choice did a study, and really sad that 1 in 3 people are having way too much screen time and are being in front of their screens and their gadgets instead of taking the time to sit down and have a great meal with each other. So pretty much that's simply our message is let's get going, let's cook together, and let's eat together. So like I said, this weekend we're going to be cooking a beautiful seared halibut with a green olive and pesto dressing, and we're serving it with a salad, and then to finish everything off we're doing a nice apple sundae. So it should be a really cool activity. We want to get people involved, and for us it's like I said, a simple message to get Canadians to eat together. We've also want people to pledge. So our pledge is every time you pledge to eat together with family and friend, President Choice will donate $1 to our charity. So if you go to pc.ca/eat together, you can $1 will be donated in your name to help out great programs like breakfast programs and other great events that President Choice Children's Charities do. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them. At the end, you can go over to our pledge station, hit the button. Once you hit the button, your pledge is really simple.
Good morning and welcome to Canada Blooms. This is what we do every day. We have the Dutch auction in Mississauga, and we sell flowers to wholesalers and retail florists. So these are all growers from Ontario that are members at the Ontario Flower Growers. It's a co-op, and we have 42 members, and it's all Ontario grown products. So here are some of the products that we are selling at Canada Blooms. We have here beautiful anthuriums. We have some succulents here as well. And yes, this is all Ontario grown, and all in the greenhouses in Niagara and the rest of Ontario as well. And then here we have some beautiful cut flowers. These are all Ontario grown as well. We have some ranunculus, we have some cymbidium orchids, freesia right here, and then we get over here into the tulips and the gerbras and the alstroemeria. Come to the Ontario Flower Growers booth. It's G2 on Canada Blooms. Bring some flowers home. Today it is National Women's Day, so they deserve flowers for sure.